Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace golf club grips. Start by removing the old grip with a utility knife, protect the shaft with tape, and clean residue with solvent. Apply double-sided tape and solvent evenly, then slide the new grip on and align it while wet. Tap the butt to seat the grip, let solvent dry for at least 1 hour, and test the grip before play. Choosing the right grip affects feel and control, so pick a size and texture that matches your swing. Gather tools and measure the shaft to confirm fit, then apply double-sided tape from butt to tip. Coat the tape with solvent evenly and allow a moment for proper slip. Slide the new grip on quickly, align it to your desired rotation, trim any excess tape, and clean up before testing the club carefully. Small adjustments to grip size and rotation can noticeably improve comfort and control, so experiment until it feels natural. Replace grips when they become slick, cracked, or lose tack, and clean them periodically to extend their usable life. Store clubs away from extreme heat and direct sun to avoid accelerated wear, and consider investing in premium materials if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.